In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money from Pumpfun coin. The basic idea is to use Pump.fun to create a meme coin on Solana, understand how its pricing works, and position yourself to benefit as trading activity grows. This process is straightforward, but it helps to know what each part means before you jump in. First, go to Pump.fun, which is a platform for launching and trading meme coins on the Solana blockchain. To create a token, you'll need three simple things ready in advance: a name, a ticker, and an image. The name is what people will recognize, the ticker is the short symbol for the coin, and the image is the visual identity that helps it stand out. Once that's prepared, connect your Solana wallet such as Phantom. After connecting, you'll pay a small deployment fee, usually around 0.1 SOL, and then buy the initial tokens. That first purchase is part of getting the coin started, so make sure you understand the cost before confirming anything. After the token is created, it begins on what's called a bonding curve. This is an important concept because it affects how the price moves. On Pump.fun, new coins do not start with a traditional market right away. Instead, the bonding curve automatically raises the price as more people buy. In simple terms, early buyers tend to get in at a lower price, and as demand increases, the token becomes more expensive. That means interest and momentum can have a big effect on how the coin performs. If your coin continues gaining traction and reaches a market capitalization of around $60,000, it can graduate to Radium. This is a major step because Radium is a larger trading market on Solana, giving the coin broader visibility and access to more traders. When that happens, the remaining funds are moved there by the protocol, allowing the token to be traded more widely. Reaching that stage can increase exposure and create more opportunities for ongoing activity. Another key part of making money is the fees. As people buy and sell your coin on the platform, you can earn fees from that trading activity. So the earning potential is not only about the value of the token itself, but also about how much trading volume it attracts. In other words, more interest can mean more transactions, and more transactions can mean more fee income. As always, be careful, double check every transaction, and remember that meme coins are highly volatile. Understanding the platform, the bonding curve, and the graduation process will help you approach Pump.fun more confidently and more strategically.